In a shocking revelation, Deborah Enenche, a gospel artist, fashion enthusiast, and the first daughter of Pastor Paul-Enenche, a senior pastor of Dunamis International Christian Center, shares the heartfelt testimony during a church service, expressing gratitude for the safe delivery of her first child. She recounted the challenges faced during her delivery.
I promised God on my delivery bed that I would be coming here to testify. We overcame by the blood of the Lamb and the word of our testimony. It was the smoothest pregnancy. Honestly, I was just having fun. I miss my belly. But, on the actual, delivery bed, it was war. The enemy wanted to strike, but he failed woefully. And I delivered naturally, and I'm so grateful to God.
It's worth noting that the Enenche family was enjoying a celebration as the baby boy was born to Deborah Enenche and her husband, Samuel Alton, on Sunday, December 15, 2024. Pastor Paul Enenche shared the news on Instagram, posting a video that captures the family excitement. In his caption, he expressed gratitude to God for his faithfulness. Recall that Deborah and the CEO of Alton Media, Samuel Alton, tied the knot in the grand style wedding in December 2022 at the Glory Dome Auditorium in Abuja. The couple welcomed a baby boy after 2 years of waiting upon the Lord for a child. We will continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.